Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
In the early spring, the mountain forest is especially full of animation. Several birds join the forest orchestra. The unique songs of many different types of birds fuse together to create a joyous and harmonious symphony. Please continue watching to find out more.
Hello, Nobu viewers. I am Olivia, a vegan black bear from spectacular North America. The nature-loving animals and people of our land wish for you to bid farewell to winter and embrace a new colorful springtime with us. Welcome to 4 Seasons, Part 1, Birdsongs to Herald in Spring. Cheerily cheer up. Early in the morning, a crisp and melodious birdsong pierces the tranquility of the forest, waking me up to greet the first rays of morning light. What a cheery voice!
I am that little robin that sits upon a tree. I sing to you each morning, but you don't know it's me.
The American robin is an old friend of mine. Have you returned from the south? As you make the first cries on the branches, you announce with a clear song that spring is here. Oh, holy, holy, ah, purity, purity. A hermit thrush lands in a patch of sunlight. His flute-like songs are the most ethereal when twilight's calmness envelops the woods during springtime. The male thrush uses notes in his harmonious songs similar to mathematical ratios. How amazing! Hello there, don't be shy. Why are you hiding on the treetop and twittering the finest sound in nature? It reminds me of Walt Whitman's poem about you.
Solitary the thrush, the hermit withdrawn to himself, avoiding the settlements, sings by himself a song.
Have I just heard fate knocking at the door? Yes, it is a song sparrow that is singing the first 3 notes of Beethoven's 5th Symphony. That is my favorite! Your distinctive songs during the spring bring to mind E.B. White's beloved children's book, Charlotte's Web, where he wrote,
The song sparrow who knows how brief and lovely life is, says sweet, sweet, sweet interlude, sweet, sweet, sweet interlude.
Where are the high-spirited, bell-like notes coming from? Ah, there you are, my little winter wren. How impressive it is to sing 16 notes in only a second. Your enchanting melody makes us fall in love with your beautiful voice. Who is chirping an upbeat song with such a happy heart? Is that the American goldfinch? Your songs paired with your stunning plumage brighten the fields and cheer us up. Above the mountain streams, birds are dancing throughout the branches. Their beautiful notes herald the arrival of spring. Thank you, my friends, for your inspiring song, which enhances the beauty of the mountain forest. This is such a picturesque scene of early spring. We will take a moment to enjoy the beauty and blessings of nature and return shortly. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television. Welcome back to Four Seasons, Part 1, Birdsongs to Herald and Spring, here on Supreme Master Television. Different from other animals who rely on their vocal cords to make sounds, birds utilize their syrinx, located at the base of the trachea, just above the lungs. The most gifted birds are able to use their syringeal rings in the left and right branches to produce high and low frequency sounds simultaneously, along with different rhythms and volume. The famous American poet Emily Dickinson metaphorically compared hope to a strong-willed bird living within the human soul. This force never stops singing its song.
Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all.
What cheer, what cheer, tweet, tweet. Your sweet song amuses me, cute Northern Cardinal. Your fantastic whistling song signals the transition from late winter to early spring. The red crest on your head resembles a cardinal's hat, which is how you received your name. Your beautiful singing matches your stunning appearance. Now you see me, now you don't. It's the beautiful indigo bunting. What a vibrant shade of blue. In the spring, you often sing love songs to win your sweetheart, with lively, high-pitched and repeated tones. Your lovely voice, paired with glowing bluish feathers, personifies the beauty of a poem. What new songs did you learn last year, talented mockingbirds? You are world-class singers. With a diversified repertoire, you are gifted with the special ability of imitating the sounds of other birds and animals around, and then incorporating them into your own melodies. Producing 300 unique phrases in a season is a piece of cake for you. You are truly a productive composer. Excuse me? Red-bellied woodpeckers, could you please take a quick rest from tapping? As one of nature's best strummers, you peck on a resonant object to create a pattern of unique sounds. It is said that each woodpecker species has its own tempo, frequency, and intensity of drumming. The speed at which you proceed is 18 taps per second. Your intricate drumming indeed enhances natural rhythms. When you are drumming, the whole forest is reverberating. This is similar to how the Japanese haiku poet Dakotsu Ida described this as a woodpecker's drilling echoes to the mountain clouds. In the early spring, the mountain forest is especially full of animation. Several birds join the forest orchestra. The unique songs of many different types of birds fuse together to create a joyous and harmonious symphony. Inconspicuously, spring has restored our planet to life. Let's enjoy this heavenly music. Bravo, my feathered friends! Your angelic voices not only please our ears and bring joy to the world, but they also remind us of the heavenly music within. We are thankful for the birds who play an immortal prelude to spring with their splendid singing. They add more vibrancy to our beautiful planet and bring renewed hope to the world through the glory of God's love. Loving viewers, it's been a delight to have you with us for today's program. Please join us this summer for 4 Seasons, Part 2, where we will explore the lively sounds of summer. Coming up next is The Snake Inside Humans, Part 3 of 12, on Between Master and Disciples, right after Noteworthy News. May you always immerse yourself in God's love and heavenly melodies.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/AW.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule et suprememastertv.com/AW.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule y suprememastertv.com/AW.
Chương trình của chúng tôi cung ứng nhiều ngôn ngữ. Xin xem suprememastertv.com/schedule và suprememastertv.com/AW.